Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my car's engine filter and my car's air conditioning cabin filter thing. So I have never done this before. I took my car to the dealer and they told me that both needed to be done, but that it was going to cost $300. So I'm going to see if it is worth me doing it myself or if I should have just spent $300 to do it at the dealers. So let's just see. And then this will also show you how to do it too if you want to do it for your car. My car is a 2016 Honda CRV, but I've heard that I think it's the same in 2012 through 2016, so any of these would be fine if you have that car, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the first thing you have to do to change your air filter, engine air filter, is pop your hood, which I don't even know where that is. Look at this little sucker. It's right here. Right there. So like there's the latch and it's like right there. So you have to pop the hood first. You have to open the hood somehow. Alright, so for some reason my audio got really bad, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. So the first thing you do is you unhook, there's these two metal things and you unhook them in the car. There's also a third one around the side. I cut my finger while unlatching one of them, so I would make sure you're careful. I actually cut my finger in 3 different places, so it's kind of a sad day. But you unlatch the 3 different parts. I'm showing you my bleeding finger again, you know, because everyone wants to see that. So you unlatch the 3 parts of the, whatever that thing's called, where the engine vent thing is. You unlatch those 3 parts, and then it's actually super easy. You can just lift it out, and then you can just pull out the filter, and it's like super easy. So there's the filter. My stepdad during this part was just telling me to make sure that the filter was in the right way because you don't want to put it in the wrong way, so he said to make sure. And then this is how dirty my filter was, and it was pretty dirty. They showed me that at the dealer too, so I already knew how bad it was. And this is the clean filter that we got from, I think it was from, I don't know where it was from, but it was only about $25, which is a really good price for a filter. So $25, $30, and then you put it in just like that. Super easy. Then you close it, you latch it back together. Make sure you do all 3 latches like I'm trying to do right here. And then you are good to go. Don't hurt your finger though like I did. But that is how to do the engine filter, and it was super easy. So I would definitely do that one by yourself for sure. And this should be easy on every car. Alright, so the first thing is to just open it. And then right here on the side, there's this little thing, and you just click it somehow. Oh, you press it and now that's released. Alright, so the next step after you have released the side is you push the 2 parts together, and if you push the 2 sides together, it just pops right out. It's super easy. So after it pops right out, you can reach into the glove box. Everything will probably fall out on the floor, but whatever. You can reach in, and there's this little box looking thing, and you just open it. You can push on both sides of it, and it comes right out really easily. And then there's the vent, and you just pull it out. There is actually arrows on it facing down, and that shows you where to put it. My vent was super dirty, so I definitely need to replace it. If you look at it, you can see how dirty it is. So I pulled it out, I opened the new one. This vent, the new one, cost about $12. So far I've spent around $45 to do this. Then you just slide it right in, make sure the arrow is facing down. I didn't really show that, but you can make sure on your own. You slide it in, and then you can put the black piece back over, and it just latches on the side. Super easy. I couldn't really see what I was doing, but it was really easy to find just by moving around. So then I put it back in. I pushed on the sides again to close it. This side thing was a little hard to get back to where it was supposed to be. I think that was the most tricky part, was just getting the side thing back. But after I got it to click back in, I was pretty much done. and that was all there really was to it. So you can just watch me fumble with the side thing for a few minutes to try to get it to latch. But anyways, eventually I get it to latch. I think I had to move it around to the front and press down, and that is what got to latch. It actually gets pushed back up inside too, so you need to like pull it back down. But voila, that's it. So what I just showed you in less than, 5 minutes was going to cost me $300 at the dealer. So, and I like do not know, well, I know cars, I guess, but like I don't know a lot about the whole like manufacturing stuff and stuff like that. So me not knowing a lot about cars and how to like do stuff with them, just did this replacement and my engine filter replacement in like less than 5 minutes, and it was the easiest thing like ever. So do not pay a dealer to do this, because that was ridiculously easy and that was way overpriced. Like that whole thing cost us $45, and then it took me 5 minutes to do both my filters. So do it on your own.